What if the right print on demand platform could be the difference between $0 and $5,000 a month? And it's not just about designs, it's about where you upload them. Wasting time on the wrong site, that's the fast track to burnout and disappointment. I see it all the time. Talented creators, great work, but stuck on platforms that barely get traffic. Or worse, flooded with copycats. Some platforms are quiet gold mines, others just noise. Stick with me through this list because not only show you my top 5 platforms, but I'll help you figure out which one fits your style, your niche, and your goals. And trust me, the last one is one of the most sellers completely overlook, and it might be the one that quietly earns you the most. Who am I? I'm RJ Martinez, a print-on-demand seller and content creator with over 8 years of experience and earning over $500,000 in royalties. Let's get into it. Let's start with the big one, Amazon Merch on Demand. This platform is a beast. You are tapping into Amazon's built-in audience. People who are already searching, buying, and already trust the platform. And here's why it works. You don't need ads, you get prime shipping, and you control your profits by setting your royalties. But it's invite only. And when you get in, prep for a lot of competition. And yes, copycats are part of the deal. Still, it's my #1 source of income for print on demand. If you get an invite, take it seriously. Focus on timeless niches, solid SEO, and protecting your best work. But with Amazon Merch isn't the only traffic powerhouse. The next platform gives you organic sales without an invite and might be more beginner friendly. All right, next up, Redbubble, and artist-friendly marketplace with serious SEO potential. If you don't have a big audience, but you know how to work keywords, Redbubble could be a gold mine. It ranks well on Google. You get a massive product catalog, and it's ideal for niche, long-tail designs that people are already searching for. Downsides, upload process, very slow. And yep, copycats still exist here. But if your titles and tags are on point, Redbubble becomes a steady, passive earner. TeePublic is next. And if you're looking to scale fast with 0 upload stress, you want to see how this one flips the game. Platform 3 is TeePublic. This is the fastest uploading experience out there. Seriously, you can get dozens of designs listed in a day without going insane. It's owned by Redbubble, but the structure is different. Fixed pricing, no undercutting, and site-wide promos drive consistent sales. Drawback, your royalty can dip to just $2 during promotions. But if your designs are clever, clean, or trend savvy, TeePublic converts. Now let's switch gears. What if your design can make money from weddings, holidays, and custom gifts, not just t-shirts? Zazzle makes that happen, and most POD sellers completely miss it. Number 4 is Zazzle. This one shines in event-driven niches. Think weddings, think birthdays, think gifts people want to personalize. You can sell everything from mugs to invitations to business cards, and your customers can customize your templates directly. It's powerful, but setup does take a lot of time, and you'll need to experiment with pricing to find the sweet spot. That said, Zazzle is a high potential income maker. It's not flashy, but it's smart. Zazzle is a long game type of income. But what if you want something simple, global, and passive, even if you barely touch it again? That's where Spreadshirt comes in. Spreadshirt, I've been on here for a few years, and this is the last one. This one offers something most platforms don't: international reach. With almost no maintenance, you can upload to their marketplace and build your own spread shop. The listings reach buyers in Europe and beyond, and the upload system is easy to use. The product variety isn't as wide, and the royalty system can be a bit tricky at first, but the upside, it keeps earning while you do other things. And this is why we love to do print on demand. Just upload it and leave it alone, and it quietly brings in the revenue every month. All 5 platforms bring in something different to the table. But one thing I want you to think about is which one fits you, your goals, your designs, and your workflow. That's what we are going to unpack next. So which one should you choose? Here's what surprises most people. The best platform isn't always the biggest. It's the one that fits your designs, your audience, and the way you want to work. Let's break it down real quick. Beginner, Start with TeePublic and Redbubble. Fast uploads, no upfront cost, and decent traffic. Intermediate sellers. Layer in Zazzle to diversify and get into events and gifting. Advance. Focus on Merch by Amazon or Amazon Merch on Demand, and Spreadshirt for bigger reach and long-term scaling. Here's the bottom line. You don't need all 5 platforms. Start with 2 or 3 that match your goals, especially if you're starting out. Build consistent systems and stay focused. That's how real POD income happens. Research is very important. Understanding what the audience wants is very key here, because that's how you're going to make your first sales. So it goes research, then design next. Remember, simple does sell. So text-based designs do make sales. If this helped, drop a comment below and tell me your next move. Which platform are you testing or doubling down on? And if you're serious about growing your POD income, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more no fluff content coming your way. Let's build something that pays you back. And if you want to see how you can do low competition niche research like I do, watch this video right here next. Thank you very much for watching. Peace out.